watch to the end of this video to see a cute video of Cookie and our pet squirrel, Tricky. Today, we're going to be doing world's smallest Tinkertoys. It's a toy for tinkers. Ella, have you ever played with this toy? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to open it. Smash. Wow, cracking hops. I have no idea what, no, let me open it. Okay.
Oh, look at how small these pieces are. There's even a little dog. But they aren't this small. So let's...
They're actually that small.
Dump them out.
They're actually that
tiny.
small. Oh, wow, that's so like, oh.
Tiny. Now I'll make the dog. So we need this.
I'll make a car. For no reason in particular. I'm going to
How do I
choose 4
do
wheels.
this?
We're going to work on these and we're going to show you what we made in a minute. On this side. And one on this side.
This is my dog. It was kind of hard to find the tail because it doesn't really look what it's in the picture of what it is. And I made the nose. It's cute, but it's kind of difficult and it breaks fast. Yeah. So let's see what Ariana's doing.
Wait. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this.
Yeah. What is that?
Shush.
What is it?
It's called The Portrait of a Man. This is the frame with the portrait of the falling man with the rain and his head falling off. A lot.
That's funny.
These
So are these, what do you think about these?
I think I like them. Although, sometimes they break
Oops.
a lot easier
Not so close as to.
than expected.
Bye, Touch Clan.
Thanks for watching our Tiny Tinkertoy video. Bye.
Beware, they might break.
Just like him, I'm gonna build him a hospital and take him there.
That's too much.
I must fix him.
I'm a portrait.
No, I'm gonna portrait. Now for the bloopers. Attack!
Oh, it's tricky. What's Tricky doing? Cookie, what's he doing? It's Tricky. It's a bad squirrel. Get him, Cookie. Get him, Cookie. What's Tricky doing? Huh? What's Tricky doing? What you doing, Tricky? Huh?